and welcome to the newly remodeled Little Mermaid Room here at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. These rooms look great. I love the small little changes that they've done here. I mean, of course, the biggest thing that you'll notice right away if you've been in these rooms before is they ditched the carpet in favor of these harder floors. And you also notice you can see right through the beds because they got rid of they lifted the beds up from the frame, so you have a lot more room for your luggage. Now, we did lose the thematic skirt that they had here, but I mean, I'm sure we'd all take a little bit more room. They did add a little bit more details to the wall there. You got the Ariel's tail. They kept the Sebastian and Flounder, which is great, and then put a little more seagrass and kept that oddly crooked Prince Eric painting. But let's start right over here. So you have that great thematic curtain right here, the seascape. The colors in this room are very relaxing. It's just kind of a light blue and the white ceiling. You have the clamshell chairs, the awesome sheet music from Under the Sea. They kept the mirror with the lights, just like in the movie. They kept the dresser here. I believe this side is the faux dresser with no shelves in it. And it has your refrigerator. Now, this one is the older style refrigerator. They didn't upgrade it to the one that has the glass or the see-through. And then you got some drawers over here. And they have also came with the upgraded coffee machine, or I guess they included the coffee machine now in the room where they didn't have that before. And instead of the AV cables, they decided to add the USB cables on both sides, and power, and a definite upgrade. This is TV. Looks great. And I did keep the two beds in the room. I mean, I do wish that they would have gone the similar route as the other resorts, and instead of having two beds, have the bed table combo. Our girls really love that, and I think it just adds a little bit extra room to the space, and just keeps it a little bit fresh. But it's definitely nice to have two queen-size beds. And then you also have more USB and outlets here, phone, and drawer. A little cubby down here. Now, what's really great is having this hanger right here, especially now you can hang all your masks up there. And then it has a decent amount of space here if you need to store your luggage. And of course, you have this amazing under the sea curtain with all your favorite characters. One of my personal favorites right here. Let's open it up. Now, I don't believe they did a whole lot to the bathroom here. They kept that great rock floor. You have your in-room safe, the ironing board, the iron, some extra towels, extra pillow and blanket, sealed so you know it hasn't been used. You got your wooden hangers. They did change out, looks like the tissue box and the soap dispenser. You'll notice one thing that's missing are the shampoo and conditioners and body soap, and that's because they made the change and added the dispensers in the shower just like the other rooms. And in this little cubby you have your hair dryer, and of course you have a little makeup mirror here. Really great thematic bathroom mirror. Now, the bathroom is sectioned off, and you have this full-size mirror here with the commode, I guess you should say, is sectioned off. Your towels, great Ariel bathroom curtain or shower curtain. Behind there you have the trove of all the things that Ariel has collected, including this little guy. Standard shower, nothing too fancy about it. You're not going to find a big overhead shower head. There you go. And then here you have your shampoo, conditioner, soap, which has also been cleaned. And of course you have, for those pool days, your pull rope, so you can hang your wet items from. Overall, this is a great room. You know, that's the one nice thing about Art of Animation. It does provide a couple of different rooms for you if you want the family suite or just looking for something a little more traditional. You have these rooms. So, but I really like, you know, the simple change that they made with under the bed. Though we lost a lot of the theming with the bed sheets, they've gone more to the traditional white. They gave more storage underneath. It's great.